Hello, and thanks for choosing Leith of Wendell. We just wanted to take a minute to show you what to expect out of your free safety and maintenance evaluation today. We'll check your tires. Tires start life around 10 to 12 30-seconds of an inch, and we recommend replacing your tires when they reach 4 30-seconds of an inch. We'll also check your brakes. Brakes start life around 10 millimeters, and we recommend brake replacement once they reach 3 millimeters or below. We'll test your battery for you today, and we'll let you know how your battery tests based on its cold cranking amperage. We'll let you know what it's rated for and where it tested at. We'll have a look at your air and cabin filters. These filters are both responsible for filtering out air. One filters the air coming inside of the cabin that you breathe, and the other filters the air going into your engine. We'll also have a look at your fluids. We'll make recommendations on your fluid based on time, mileage, and condition. We'll have a look at your belts. Your belts need to be replaced periodically, and we'll make recommendations on those based on time and condition as well. We'll check the sticker on your license plate to see if it's time for your annual state inspection. We'll also check your wiper blades as well as your bulbs. We'll look at many other components as we're doing this inspection and let you know if we see anything that needs your attention. And just to let you know, you may receive a video detailing some of these items. If you have any questions about what you see, please feel free to reach out to your service advisor and they can go over items in detail with you. Thanks again for choosing Leith of Wendell. We really appreciate your business.